Get out of my house, I just said. Both of you get out of my house.
Yo. What was that say, Molly?
This is the lazy ass.
I don't want you messing up. And I don't raise you to go with this scumbag. Yeah, come on. Want to hit on me? Come on. I'll break both arms so they don't work for you.
Oh, shit.